In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an online store in Hostinger Website Builder. If you no longer need the store section on your website, Hostinger makes it fairly simple to remove it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can do it without confusion. Before you begin, just make sure you're signed in to the correct Hostinger account and that you're working on the right website, since removing a store can affect how your site is set up. To get started, open your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website where your online store is currently active. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct project, especially if you manage more than one website. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can access the settings and features connected to your site. Give it a few seconds to load fully so you can see the Builder interface clearly before moving on. Once you're inside the editor, click Store. This will take you to the area where your online store settings and management options are located. If you don't immediately see everything, just look around the store management section carefully, because the option you need is usually found inside the store controls rather than directly on the page preview. From there, find Manage Store and click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu opens additional actions related to your online store. Among those options, click Remove Store. This is the setting that permanently removes the store from your website builder setup. After clicking Remove Store, Hostinger will ask you to confirm the action. Read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm it if you're sure you want to continue. This step is important because once the store is removed, you may lose store-related settings, products, and other e-commerce elements connected to that site. And that's it. Your online store will be removed from Hostinger Website Builder. As a final tip, it's a good idea to double-check your website after the removal is complete, just to make sure everything looks the way you want. If your site had store pages or product sections visible in navigation, you may want to review the layout afterward inside the builder. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove an online store in Hostinger Website Builder.